Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Guess the Slang with your host, Mr. Mitch.
Hello and welcome to a new episode of Guess the Slang Words, where contestants battle it out to figure out who's a right clever clogs and who's a total twit. Before we meet the contestants, let's meet my fabulous assistant, Easy. Thank you, Easy. Now, let's meet the contestants.
Hello, Mitchell. Hello, Easy.
Contestant number 1, what's your name, where are you from, and what do you do?
I'm Kari. I'm from Germany. I do easy German.
Hello, Kari. Now please test your buzzer. Well, let's hope you'll be springing to victory. Contestant number 2, what's your name, where you from, and what do you do?
My name is Janusz. I come from Poland.
And what do you do?
I do easy German.
We got there in the end. Now test your buzzer. I beg your pardon. Now, are you ready for round 1? Here we go.
English slang words.
Hands on the table.
Okay, round 1, question 1. Give me the definition for the noun git.
Can you spell it?
G-I-T?
I know this word from the Yiddish language, and it means good.
I'm sorry, Janusz, but you're incorrect. The real definition of a git is an unpleasant or horrible person. Question 2. I want to know the definition for the adjective minted.
Minted means being kind of dressed to kill, being like clothed. Yeah, like when you dress very elegantly for some reason.
Oh, wrong again, Janusz. Minted is to describe someone who is rich or has lots of money. Okay, question 3. Please define for me the exclamation ta.
Just taking a guess, it means it's like an expression of like surprise, like, or look at that, like wow, basically like wow.
Oh, wrong answer. It's actually a short way to say thank you. Okay, let's see if we can get a right answer with question 4. I'm looking for the definition for the noun loo.
What? What?
Yeah, it's a toilet.
Oh yes, I know this one.
Correct! Janusz gets the first points on the board. It does mean the toilet. Okay, define the noun chinwag.
Someone who's overthinking things.
I'm sorry, but you're wrong. The real answer is it's a chat. Okay, now, the next question. Define the contraction in it.
I saw it in today I saw a video from you about British bands. And the guy said, in it, isn't it, in it.
I knew this.
Watch his videos, then you will know.
I knew it.
Congratulations, Janusz, you are correct. Okay, the next word I need you to define is the adjective chock-a-block.
It's kind of like in American English you say Rockefeller, like shock a block, shock a person.
You have a good fantasy, Janusz.
You have to help yourself somehow. So choke a block, so you can choke a block.
Choke a bloke.
Ooh, incorrect again. Chock-a-block is a way to describe a scene which is busy or full of people or things. Okay, next question. Define for me the adjective wonky.
It's like crooked.
Okay, congratulations.
Correct! Congratulations, Kari, for another point. Okay, the last word. I want you to define for me the noun bog roll.
It's a toilet papier.
Correct! That is right, it's toilet paper. Okay, that's the end of our long round one. Easy. What are the scores?
Janusz has 3, Kari has 1.
Congratulations to Janusz for taking the early lead. Let's move on to round 2 after the break.
Jesus, English is crazy.
This video is sponsored by italki, the site that allows you to find online language teachers for one-on-one tutoring. As a new user, you'll get $10 in italki credits after your first lesson if you register using the link go.italki.com/easy English. If you don't like reading complicated language books or listening to pre-recorded audio courses, then italki is for you. You'll get to practice your conversational skills under different real-world scenarios, as speaking with humans is the best way to learn a language. You can customize your lessons to cater for your learning needs and interests, and the one-on-one lessons provide you undivided attention with teachers at your preferred time, whether you're at home, at the airport, or at your local park. You have complete access. So head on over to italki with this link, go.italki.com/easy English to start your first lesson and get $10 in lesson credits. Cockney rhyming slang.
Welcome back to round 2, Cockney rhyming slang. I want you, Kari, to tell me, what is Cockney rhyming slang for a German? Is it A, the postman, B, Ben Sherman, C, the invisible man, or D, Dustin Hoffman?
Wow, it's Dustin Hoffman.
Dustin Hoffman. But why would it be Dustin Hoffman?
Or maybe not, I don't know.
Ah, the German. But the postman doesn't make sense. Invisible doesn't make sense. Ben Sherman could be it.
Could be. But Dustin Hoffman
It's
is
just like
funny, and Cockney is about being funny.
slang, but in the slang it's about like something sounds like something else. So I'm go for Ben Sherman.
Congratulations, it's Ben Sherman. Now Janusz, the same for you. What is Cockney rhyming slang for a pole? Is it A, China bowl, B, rock and roll, C, a Swiss roll, or D, a hole?
It's an what was the first one?
China bowl.
The China bowl, no. It's an no. Rock and roll, no. What was the third one? Swiss roll. It's difficult. I would go for asshole, but I think in Cockney you need asshole for asshole things. So you wouldn't want people to think that you are telling about a pole when you just shout at somebody you asshole. So it's kind of difficult. So I go for the Swiss roll.
I would have guessed.
Congratulations to you both. Easy. Scores.
Janusz and Kari both got 1 point.
Okay, now let's move on to our final round.
English slang phrases.
Okay, here we go. Question 1. Define to me the phrase waffle on.
Just talking.
Angrily, yeah. Blah, blah. It's like...
That's what Janusz always does. He's like waffling on and on and on. Like, in-
Okay, here's your next phrase. Are you ready? Define chalk and cheese.
I think it could be a kind of a hot dog where you put a cheese on it. They have hot dogs with additional cheese. And so you would chalk
you know what chalk is? It's like what you write on
chalk.
write with on a board.
Chalk and cheese to describe two things that are completely opposites.
Now I want something with cheese.
Okay, question 3. Define pop your clogs.
Pop your clogs? Pop your clogs?
Yeah, maybe it is pop your clogs. Just put your shoes off.
Why would there be a slang for that?
Or just you come to my apartment and I said like, yeah, pop your clogs off.
Oh, pop your clogs is a way to describe dying.
No.
So somewhere the meaning is also like take your shoes off, but
Aww.
Okay, the next phrase is full of beans.
like it's a farting person.
Is it like a polite way to say full of
It actually means full of energy. Here we go, the next phrase is one in the oven.
being pregnant? Yay!
Sure. That is
It
good.
came from my mind.
Here we go. Are you ready for the last question?
Okay.
What? Our night is over?
Define the phrase the dog's box.
Dog's is just when something is extremely stupid and you say, that's the dog's dog's Okay.
The latest Oh nein, das habe ich dir weggenommen.
Congratulations. No, you deserved it.
That's the end of the round and tonight's quiz. Easy. What are the scores?
And I don't even get paid for this. This round, Kari got 3 points, Janusz got 0. Well done, Kari. Are we done now?
That means that tonight's winner is Kari with 4 points. Congratulations, Kari, and commiserations, Janusz. I've been Mr. Mitch. This has been Easy's Gone Home. And this was Guess the Slang Word. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Yes.
Goodbye. Goodbye. The credits are still going.